TINTOOK is a professional manufacturer of various kinds of tinplate cans. Established in 2014, we are located in Dongguan, Guangdong Province, which is well known to be a world factory. Hundreds of well-trained workers combined with multiple advanced automatic production lines, we are able to produce 170,000 tin cans a day. We own lots of existing mold and excellent mold development capabilities, which allow us to tailor different sizes and shapes according to customers' special requirement. OEM and ODM services are both available. Our designers can help you to do your own designs and create unique, well-designed products which highlight current trends and provide competitive value to customers. Or you can choose to bring our TINTOOK brand to your lines, and we will take care of the one-stop packaging solution for you. Our core value is to interpret the beauty of life with integrity and profession, hoping our products will create a better brand image for your customers. Therefore, TINTOOK adheres to the principle of quality first in every link of production and manufacturing in the supply chain to ensure the quality control of products. We are offering amazing products in great design and top quality with a competitive price. The reason why more than half of our customers are reputable retailers at local market in different countries is that they know TINTOOK is their best. Take after comparing apple to apple. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.